Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making healthy 3-ingredient oatmeal applesauce raisin cookies. So here are the 3 ingredients: quick oats, applesauce, and raisins. So healthy and easy to make, and no added sugar, no flour, and they taste amazing. So we need 1 cup of quick oats and half a cup of applesauce. So if you have one of those little packages, this is half a cup. And half a cup of raisins. So now mix everything until combined. And once it's all mixed, just shape the mixture into cookies. So you really have to press it into a cookie shape. And now the cookies are ready to be baked. So I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees before making the video. So now we will bake these cookies at 350. Now the cookies are done baking. They were baking for 15 minutes total at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So let me take them out of the oven. It looks so good. And they were so easy to make, just with 3 ingredients that are so healthy. So now let's let them cool completely and then I'll try it. Now the cookies are fully cooled down. And I'm so excited about trying them. Now make sure you always let these cookies cool down, because otherwise they tend to fall apart. But once they're cooled down, they hold their shape very easily. Look at this amazing cookie. So good. Let's try it. Yummy cookie. What a great oatmeal raisin cookie. It's so healthy. And it's naturally sweetened with raisins, so it tastes sweet without any added sugar. You're going to love these healthy cookies. They're great for dessert or healthy snack. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!